In the article, Techniques for Being a Competent Communicator, I was able to understand a major way I can improve my workplace, and that is understanding intercultural communication. In my class, I have a variety of different nationalities and religious beliefs. I often forget to keep in mind some of the behaviors and communication with my students are developed through their cultural background. Understanding that everyone belongs to their own culture can help eliminate any misunderstandings. I tend to forget about my students' religion because in my district, we are not allowed to celebrate holidays. For example, during Christmas and Hanukkah time, our class party needs to be winter themed, not holiday related.